Hey guys, welcome back to Thistledowns TV. My name's Cody and I have a real quick video for you today. Today we're going to talk about how to prune basil. Basil is one of those amazing plants where if you prune it regularly, it'll just keep growing back and growing back and growing back, and you can enjoy it all year long. So we're going to get right into it and I'm going to show you how to prune it. I grew this basil from seed. It really doesn't matter if you grew it from seed or you bought it at the store. I just want you to take a quick note of the stems and of the different sets of leaves coming off the stems. This long one right here, you can see has 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of true leaves. To prune it, it's really easy. You just want to prune it about 1/4 to 1/2 inch above the lowest set of true leaves. If you notice this stem right here, you see these 2 leaves at the bottom? These are not true leaves, so you're going to want to prune it above the next set of leaves, these leaves right here. I'm just going to take the basil about 1/4 to 1/2 inch above the first set of true leaves right here, and I'm going to cut it right at an angle just like that. You can do it a little bit at a time, you can do it all at once depending on what you want to do with it. I'm going to prune it all at once and I'm going to make some pesto out of it. I'll show you how to make pesto in a different video. I'm just going to go through and prune all this basil just like that right above the first set of true leaves so it keeps growing back nice and bushy. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I went through, I pruned all my basil right above the first set of true leaves. It doesn't look super pretty anymore, but this is going to give those smaller leaves an opportunity to grow, get bigger, and they'll bush out nicely again, and I'll repeat the whole process in about 1 to 2 weeks. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to take all this basil that I just pruned off, I'm going to go in, I'm going to make some pesto. I'll make a video about that as well if you're interested. Also, if you want to check out more of our content, make sure to follow us at Thistledowns Farm on Instagram. Check out our website, thistledownsfarm.com as well. We have a lot of great content on there. All these videos I make, I also make a companion article to go with it. So if you'd rather read and see pictures instead of watching videos, you can do that too. And otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time.